How to promote your NFT quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your own NFTs in a simple and easy method. So I'm going to show you a paid method as well as free ways that you can promote your NFTs to get more sales. So let's get into it. Now, let's say you have created your NFT collection, you have uploaded it on OpenSea, it is live, and you are waiting for someone to buy your NFT collection, but you have no one that is purchasing. How can you promote this collection or even a standalone NFT? Well, there are many methods that you can use. Everyone knows about social media and how you should advertise there, but there are certain techniques you need to follow whenever you are advertising on social media platforms or any other kind of platform as well. So everyone knows that NFTs are super popular with influencers, with celebrities, and what I recommend is that if you are looking to invest some money in promoting your NFTs, then you can go and contact YouTubers like FaZe Banks and other YouTubers that have shown interest in NFTs, and you can contact them and ask them to promote your NFT for a certain price, and that will definitely guarantee you a very large return in terms of investment, because if a YouTuber is promoting the NFT, those NFTs have seen super high spikes in terms of just general sales and rarity. So if you have a YouTuber promoting, then your NFT will become rare and more people will want it, and that would increase the price of your NFT as well. So if we take a look at YouTubers, you might be wondering, how do I contact YouTubers? How do I find YouTubers or influencers to promote my NFTs? Well, what you can do is you can go onto this platform called shoutcard.com. So you can go onto this platform called shoutcard.com, and what you're going to do is you're just going to click on browse influencers, and then you can just browse different influencers that are currently available. You can see the following that they have, how many followers they have, what is their general score, what is their price. So all of that information is going to be provided to you just by clicking on register for free. So you're going to choose whether you are a buyer or seller. So we are going to become a buyer. Then you're going to click on continue, and then you're just going to enter all of your business information, and then you can browse different influencers that you can get promotions from. So this is one way to really get a lot more out of your NFT, especially if you're someone that is looking for a large promotion. So you can see these are some of the rates for influencer stories or posts. So you can see to get featured on any of their stories, you can choose a price, and you can see like this is a page, a basic news page, or like just a basic page that has 8.9 million followers, and they have the rate of $2,400 for a promotion. And you don't have to go that big. You can go with YouTubers that have 100K, 50K, 200K, 300K followers, and then you can ask them to promote, and usually you will get a pretty good price. Like you can see over here, this person has over here 200K followers, and they are only charging $35. So that is something that I would recommend that you should go for and ask them to promote your NFT for such a decent price. Now, if we take a look at other methods, you might be wondering, okay, this is a paid method, I'm going to try it, but you might want to take a look at other free methods to promote your NFT collection as well. And don't worry, I have some amazing tips for that as well. Now, first off is TikTok. And TikTok is super popular with a lot of trends. You can find any kind of trend on TikTok. All you have to do is go and search for hashtag NFT, click on videos, and then you can start taking a look at the different videos that are available. So you're just going to create your own TikTok account, and then just create short clips about your NFTs, create short infographics or anything about your NFT on TikTok, and then this will be one way to promote your NFTs on TikTok. Now, another great way to promote your NFT for free is by going on to nftcalendar.io. So nftcalendar.io is an amazing platform that enables you to see what NFTs are going to be launched soon. So what you're going to just do is you're going to click on list your event on the top right over here, and once you click on that, you're just going to submit your event. You're going to enter the event title, so it could be Kitten NFT Drop, the influencer NFT, or whatever you might want to as a tagline. Then you're going to add your description, so you're going to enter more information. You're going to enter the blockchain that your NFT is on. So for most people, it's going to be either be Solana, Polygon, or Ethereum. These three are probably the most common for NFTs. And then you're just going to enter your event links. Make sure you have a Discord server for your NFT collection as well. Especially if you have a collection, make sure to create a Discord server for that. If you just have a standalone NFT, you can just work with it and just upload the NFT and promote it. But I would recommend that you create entire collections of similar NFTs, because those are going to be a lot more profitable than just standalone NFTs. And then you're also going to link your Twitter, and that was the next social media platform that I'm going to talk about. So we're going to fill all of this out, and I'm going to show you guys the samples over here. So you can see Locker Room Brotherhood. This is the image of the NFT. This is the description. You can see they have a website, Twitter, Discord, all of it is linked, the marketplace, the blockchain, all of that is available. And you also have a similar item. So you will be recommended similar items on NFT Calendar. And if you have your own multiple collections, then people are going to be recommended your own collections on the platform. Now, if we take a look at our next platform for free, we have Twitter. Now, Twitter has the most active NFT community ever. If you're looking to sell NFTs, if you're looking to promote NFTs, you need to have a Twitter. I just think that it is going to be impossible for you to navigate the NFT community without having a Twitter account. So you want to dedicate a simple Twitter account to NFTs specifically, or you can use your own Twitter account, but I would recommend that you create your own NFT account that is specifically for the promotion and just to have news about different NFTs. And then you're going to follow multiple NFT influencers like I have over here. So we're just going to take a look at my profile. So what you're going to do is you're going to follow different influencers. So you can see I'm following so many different authentic influencers that are creating NFTs, or people that are in the NFT community. And you might be wondering, how does this promote my own NFT? Well, it's very necessary that you are in the NFT community to be able to promote your NFT. And this is just going to serve because you're going to be an active member and interacting with the NFT community on Twitter. What this will do is that this will enable you to, when you interact with other people that are making NFTs and they see you interacting, they see you talking about NFTs, they will look at your collections as well. And this will serve as organic growth for the audience of your NFTs. So this is a very essential step. I would recommend it that if you're looking to build NFTs in the long run or in the medium run, if you just don't want to just think about this as like just something you're trying out and then you're going to leave it in 2 days. But if this is really something you're looking to do, then you should build your NFT community on Twitter as well. Now, I have another great method that you can use to promote NFTs as well. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a website for your NFT. So that's a given. You're going to create your website, and you can just use Wix to do that. So I'm going to click on create new site, or I'm just going to edit this site, and I'm just going to show you guys what you actually need to do. What you're going to do is you're going to put a contact form or a freebie form where you can offer one free NFT if someone subscribes to your emailing list. And what this will do is that this will give you the email of that person. And then for future NFT promotions or NFT launches, you can just take all of those emails that you have collected by providing that one free NFT. You can just take all of those emails. Those people are already interested in NFTs. What you're just going to do is you're going to take those emails and promote your further collections to them. So you're going to click on add on the left over here, and then you're just going to scroll down and click on contact and forms, and you have this contact form. So we're just going to wait for this to load, and we're going to go in contact and forms, and you can see we have this contact us form. You're just going to click on customize to customize this. So you can just customize this form however you want, and we're just going to click on over here. We're going to add subscribe for one free NFT like this. And what people, and everyone likes a free thing, so people will subscribe and you will get more leads to promote with email marketing and other methods for your future collections. Now, you can also write articles on a platform like medium.com. This is a platform that enables you to write free articles for any topic that you want, and you can write articles about NFTs and your future NFTs that are coming up. You can talk about those over here as well, and this will lead you to more organic growth, although this will not be a very targeted audience that you will receive, but still it is going to be free promotion for your NFTs. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to promote your own NFTs as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.